Right, so I'm with Erick Leonardo Alvarez Diaz. He flew here from Hawaii last week to attend our AI mastermind last weekend, and we were just talking, and he has an amazing story how it's all connected, right? Because I asked him, how did you find out about Manuel? And he said that his sister follows Manuel on social media because his mom knew about Frank Suarez, Manuel's dad, and she would buy his vitamins, natural slim vitamins, but also you worked with Nicole in Mexico City. For 7 years.
7 years.
So he worked with Manuel's sister for 7 years in Mexico City. His mom knew, about Frank and the whole natural slim organization, and then his sister follows Manuel on social media. And she told you about the honeycomb event that we had a few months ago, right?
Yep.
So then he joined the honeycomb program. He's building his brand, and he flew all the way from Hawaii to attend our AI mastermind. And what do you have to say about this whole process of creating a brand and getting involved with AGM?
All I can say is the only thing I regret is why didn't I start before? Like I was wasting my time, I know I'm on the right track right now, and you guys have an amazing team. Like the team you guys have here, the setup, the way you have it, it's like an actual production line. Like you can see the progress, as we go. And I'm very excited for the brand. My family is, very excited for all this. So thank you to you guys for putting all together.
Absolutely. Let's make it $1 million brand.
Exactly. $1
All
million
right.
brand.
Let's do it.